How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code or not displaying the code. So over here, the Microsoft Authenticator app is not displaying code, so we have possible causes like time synchronization issues, non-updation of the application conflicts, network connection flaws. So how you can fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not displaying code, you can follow these suggestions to fix the issue, basically that one. So ensure clock synchronization, relog into Microsoft account, update apps, app permission review, and check network connections. So for the first one, you can ensure clock synchronization over here. You can set time automatically or set time zone automatically. So clock synchronization is the most important check to resolve, so make sure you're doing that. Next, to relog into Microsoft account. So if the Microsoft account for the concerned user has expired or got deleted somehow, users can activate and add the same to the Authenticator app. Since expired accounts cannot fetch or display the TOTP codes, ensuring the account is active can help you fix the error. Next is to update the Microsoft Authenticator app. So the app can also contribute to the situation or the outdated version. So updating the same to its latest version can be a practical step towards the resolution. So users can visit the App Store or the concerned device and update the application to its latest available version. So visit the Google Play Store, type Microsoft Authenticator, and then click on Update if it is available. There's also app permissions review. So open the app section on the phone, long press the Microsoft Authenticator application and select app info and select the permissions option. So select the concerned permissions to be granted and then click on enable. And finally, check network connection. So steady network connectivity is a prerequisite for the normal functioning of the app. So switch to a mobile network if the Wi-Fi app is not working. And when you do that, close and relaunch the app to properly sync. But anyways, hopefully one of these can help you. And if the information of this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.